Dear, hi, kumusta? This is it. After how many years of waiting, finally, it's now happening.
Happy naman, no?
Happy. Buti hindi umulan.
Oo nga eh. Buti hindi.
We knew each other for a very long time. 17 years and counting. We started as a textmate. Nauso pa mga GM na kunwari. Sent to many yung iba, pero para lang talaga sa'yo yun. Nagre-reply ka din naman.
Nung nakita ko siya, parang my soul recognize him. Parang ganun yung ano. Hindi ko, something familiar, ganun. Pero hindi siya infatuation, hindi siya crush. Pero sabi ko, parang kilala siya ng soul ko.
Jean Ann, sumasang-ayon ka ba na maging asawa si Arnaldo na naririto ngayon alinsunod sa batas at mga alituntunin ng ating banal na simbahan?
Sa maniwala ka man at sa hindi, I include you to my novena prayers during those times na sana magkaroon ako ng partner na gaya mo.
Buong puso ba ang pagkakaloob mo sa kanya ng iyong sarili bilang kaniyang asawa?
1, 2, 3, go! Super Latina!
Thank you, thank you.
Na kanino yung singsing? Ayan.
Natutulog ka ba?
Pa, kung nasan ka man ngayon, alam kong masayang masaya ka. While having pictorial kanina, nakita kong isang paru-paro doon. Alam kong ikaw yon. 1 month bago kasal, ilang araw kitang napapanaginipan. Excited ka at masayang masaya dahil ikakasal na ang iyong panganay na anak.
It's a light relief from a bad habit. It's my mother's cooking when I can't have it. It's the last train home from a day tripping. It's the place I go when I start slipping. Darling, won't you take me home? Send me shiver somewhere I used to go. Write my name across your mouth when I let my feelings down. Darling, won't you take me home? Yeah, won't you take me? Oh, 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 oh.
I vow to always be your co-pilot in life, to hold your hand through the turbulence and clear skies alike. I promise to be your safe landing, the home you return to after every journey. No matter how many miles separate us at times, my heart will always be waiting for you, just as it has since the beginning. Kahit sa ilang bansa man ang napuntahan mo, ako pa din ang only love mo. Ba?
Won't you take me home? Send me shiver somewhere I used to go. Write my name across your mouth when I let my feelings down. Darling, won't you take me home? Yeah, won't you take me?
I'll try my best na maging best wife. And from now on, I'll have more patience, mahabang patience. And I'll try to understand you as much as I can. And also love you unconditionally and forever. Love you.
Palakpakan natin ang bagong kasal.